Hi there guys, and welcome back to Cool Gamer 05. So now guys, I will just show you my new texture pack. It is called the Faithful HD. So I just downloaded it in MCPA Master. Oh my god, my screen. I just downloaded it there. As you can see here guys, it's the Faithful 1.0.x. So now guys, you will just go into your MCPA master. I will just put a link down below. So just ready. I will just keep it guys. So now guys, after you open it, just go into the texture. Then here you can see here and just go down and down. So we just find into you guys. So just do it guys. This is in the here you can see here it's the Faithful HD edition, I think. Here you can see it's the Faithful edited, HD edited. So just download it and just press the apply. So I will just show you my skin here. I will just keep. So first, just come to the skin. I know you know it. Just go down and it's in the down. So I will just read it. As you can see here, it's the Cool Gamer 05. Yeah, I'm the Cool Gamer 05. So as you can see here, it's just like this. So very nice. So now guys, it's all of that. So you're just opening your Minecraft. Oh, I will just keep this guys. So now guys, I will just find a world. So I will just go into the Cool Gamer 05 world. It take a few seconds guys. I will just keep. So guys, I just create a creative world so that you can see all the blocks, all the items here. So I will just show you now. Let's just go here. As you can see, the grass is not just look like a normal, and the stone and the coal, charcoal. So as you can see here, it's a ship. There, it's a ship, not look like normal. So this texture pack is just look like a PC texture pack. This is what I want. I just use it when I post the video something I didn't see, so I will just put a link down below so you can watch that, and you can download a world in that my uploaded video. So I will just show you the blocks now. So here, this is all of it. Not really normal. very nice, and the glass is just like a piece here. So this is not nice, guys, because it's look like a PC. So you can see here it's in the finish, so it's not normal now because it's changed because of the texture pack. So shit, now this is all of it here, and you can see it, the cobweb. It's not now normal, it's changed. So this is all of the items here. You can see the sword, the armor is just a little shiny, and put it so it's just a little shiny here, and so it's going to get said. So as you can see, the diamond, the iron, the gold, and the emerald does not look like a normal, and this is empty map. So let's create. Then you can see here, this is, oh, the map is not look like normal because it's just like a PC texture pack. I just downloaded it because it's look like a PC texture pack. So this is all of it. As you can see, the book is now rainbow colors. So the portions here is have a little shiny, just like the glass pane all of here. So just wait a few seconds. So now, guys, this is the end of the video. So when you want to download the Minecraft in your version, just go in the link description below, and we can get hundreds of likes. So I will put all the link in the description below. All of my video has a link now, guys. I just watch in YouTube hotspot alert. So that's all of it, guys. And the next video is how I don't know what's my next video, but just, guys, this is the end of the video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, and hit the button like. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoy this